Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Shopify, how to create and customize a store on Shopify for collectible coins and currency, business easy and quick. So first type Shopify on the search. So as we know, Shopify is a tool for making online stores. It helps people sell things on the internet by creating a website where they can display and sell their product. So first of all, enter here your email address and start free trial. Now you can skip all this if you want, so I'm gonna just skip this and let's continue. Now wait a few seconds for building this store. So the first thing you have to do now, you go to the online store and click on the themes. So here you can change the themes if you want and customize them, any theme you want. So select any theme from here you want. For example, I'm gonna just skip this, the down theme. Just click add and wait a few seconds to install the theme. After this you can publish it and customize it on your home page. For example, I'm gonna click here, publish, and now I can customize it, and now it will take you to your home page store. So this is your home page store. Here you can change the style of your home page store. You can make it like a desktop style like this, or like a mobile style, or like a full screen style. I'm gonna just keep it like this, like desktop style. This is the settings where you can design your store. So here first we have the header, the announcement bar. You can change here the color scheme. You can show super line. You can show icons on desktop. Also here you can auto rotate announcements. You can enable country and region selector. You can enable language selector. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next section, the announcement. Here you can change the text. Also you can pass a link or search for something like collections, whatever you want to add here, products or collections. So that's it. Now let's move on to the header. So here you can change the desktop logo position. Also you can change the main menu. You can change the desktop menu type, the sticky header. Also you can change the sticky header. You can show separate line. You can change the color scheme and the menu color scheme. Here you can enable country and region selector and enable language selector. You can edit the mobile logo position. You can edit the spacing and the section padding, the top and the bottom. Here if you wanna edit the same settings, you can enable search suggestions. Here you can edit the card type. Here if you want to add your social media links, your Twitter link or Facebook or Pinterest or Instagram or whatever you want to add here for links. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next, the logo position, logo. You can upload it. You have to upload it from your library. So just for example, let's search on it on the browser. Collectible coins. So for example, I'm gonna choose this or this, for example. So this is your logo right now. You can edit it at any time. Of course you have to upload it from your library, not this. So you can edit here the desktop logo width. So that's it. Now let's get back and let's move on to the next section, the image banner. So here you have two images, first image and second image. So for example, let's select the first image from the browser, and second image you can select it from your library. So for example, this, you can choose whatever you want. This is just for example. And the second image you can upload it from your library. Here you can edit the image overlay opacity. You can edit the banner height. Also you can change here the desktop content position. You can show container on desktop. You can change the desktop content alignment. You can change the color scheme, the animations. Here you can turn this on, stock image on mobile. You can show container on mobile. So that's it. Now let's move on to the heading of the image banner. So here you can generate the text, just describe what this text is about. For example, uh, collectible. You can of course describe more. This is just for example, collectible coins and currency. So here choose from the suggestions like this. Here you can change the heading size. So that's it. Now let's move on to the buttons of the image banner. So here you can change the first button label, you can change the first button link. Also here you can use outline button style. If you already add the second image, you can add the second button label and the second button link, and also you can use outline button style. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next section, the featured collection. So here you can generate the text, also just describe what this text is about. Collectible coins. Here you can generate also the description. So here you can show collection description from the admin. You can change the description style. Here you can change the collection or create your own collection. You can make products forward. You can enable view all if collection has more product than shown. Also here you can enable carousel on desktop. You can change the color scheme. You can edit the product card, the image ratio, and the image shape. Here you can show second image on hover. Also you can show vendor. You can show product region. You can enable quick add button, and you can enable swipe on mobile. So that's it. If you want to add something new on your homepage, click here and select what kind of section you want to add on your homepage. So that's it. Now let's move on to the future section. So here you can change the color scheme. You can show email sign up. Also here you can generate the text on the heading. So that's it. After you're done from designing your website, all you have to do is save this, and let's get back to the dashboard to name your store. So let's go to the home. So after you customize your online store and add your first product, now the next step is name your store here. So type any name you want. Of course it might be related to the business. Here you can add your store phone. You can here add your store email and change it. So that's it. Now after you're done from designing website and customize it, all you have to do is launch it. Here you can pick a plan or remove your store password. So that's it for today. That's how to customize and create your store for collectible coins and currency business, easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.